Yo, Alex Jenkins checking in one more time. Yes, I am back on live simulation. I had to pause it for a minute. I had a lot going on. I'm back. I left the account right where it was up, where it was at. I'm back trading. This is honest. I ain't really. I haven't started another demo. Nothing. Did nothing. This is the original account. I've been working on something very heavy, so I'm just seeing how this thing's going. But as y'all can see, I'm in a trade on USD JPY. I did a sale at 113.28. Currently market is 113.30. I mean, I did a buy. Sorry, a buy at 113.35. Two profits $14. I'm not due to make a whole lot, but 20 something odd dollars. The account's gonna move up, and things gonna be great. Give it just a second, and this trade is gonna be over. This is all from a strategy. So strategy been working well. It works well. I haven't been trading it, but it works well. But here it goes. Few seconds and it's over. All right, y'all. Alex Jenkins checking out.